Good morning.
We're on the bus to Riga from Tallinn.
Yeah.
Tallinn, Estonia to Riga, Latvia.
And it is our bus. Very nice bus. And Dad can play all this game here. Riga! We arrived in our new apartment in Latvia, Riga, and this is our apartment here. This is our living room, dance is over there, and we have a place for us to sit for having a dinner, lunch, one TV here, and this fridge, and they have dishwashers. And all the equipment for cooking, pot and pans, everything. It's fully furnished apartment here. Very nice.
Yeah, it is nice.
Yeah. And the next, they have one cabinet to put our stuff here, and another one's for our clothes. Very nice. This is our room here. Also, they have the second TV here. And there is our view. Ding 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 ding. Yeah. This apartment is in the center of the town. Oh, I forget to show you one more thing. It is a bathroom, or what we call toilet in Asia. Toilet, and also they have washing machines. You know, just normal toilet stuff. So this is our apartment. Very nice. Very nice. So it's time to go for lunch.
Delicioso. That's where we're going for lunch. Let's see what they have and what it costs. We try to come a little early to beat the crowd. These cheaper places are swamped.
My one is mushroom with chicken, some side dish and everything. 6.9 euro, I think my one. And there's that one is 4 point something euro. Ooh.
There's a shopping mall built right into the old town, Riga, and this is one of the entrance. Wow, cool. You can see they kept the character of the downtown area with these and the facades here. There's a food court here. We're gonna go get a bite to eat. Uh-oh, Chunk said they have mango. We have to go to a movie though. Tom Hilfiger. This is like a regular mall, like you'd see in Malaysia with all the international brands. Which makes sense, it's in the expensive little town area. Like salmon with vegetables or 80 euros. That's a big thick cut of salmon too. Look how big this mall is. It's huge. It just starts there and it goes all the way like a block and a half down there. Pretty cool. So this is Stockman Mall. That's where the theater is. We're going today. Grocery store. Now we need to find the theater. They have beer here. They let you pour it yourself, I guess. It's 780 euro for 0.8 liters.
Look at this, it's 9:45 in the evening. Wow. The sky is so bright still. We just finished a movie from this mall here.
So we're going to this place, Lido. It's like a buffet lunch. So this lunch is 18.55 euros. That's like chocolate cake, spinach soup. I think those are ribs, cheese, vegetables, creamy cheese vegetables, and I have like a curry rice here. This place is called Wok and Curry. Oh, it smells good. Yeah, let's sit inside. They have a set lunch here. Multi-course, I think maybe 3, at least 2, starting with soup. And it's 8 euros for lunch per person. So here's the second and third course. Rice, naan. Don't know what these are yet, but and then I'm having a veggie curry and chunks and chicken.
It's nice.
Yeah.
Not too bad for €8 set lunch.
Yeah.
So how is it?
It's good. It's a paneer curry.
Oh, it's good for you.
Nice.